Hi everyone, it's Doug from Bjorn Territory, and in this video I'm going to show you how to paint Emelda Braskov for your Cursed City board game. Okay, starting with Emelda Braskov, I've base coated her in white, now coming in with Cadian flesh tone for her skin. So next colour is Cygor brown. I'm going to use it for the bird on the shoulders. Next colour is Black Templar, contrast paint. And we focus on her gloves. This one coming in with Skeleton Horde contrast paint for the beak of the bird. Okay, coming in with Ethereum white, or grey, sorry, the tabard on the outside. The next colour is Lead Belcher for all the plate armour. Sword. This colour is Ultramarines blue. That's the inside of this. For the hair, some Ivoden yellow. Next colour is Retributor Armour. Coming with Agrax Earthshade for the feathers and the beak. For the golden flesh, coming in with Brackland flesh tone. Now coming in with Known Oil for all the silver metal, armour, sword, etc. I'm also going to apply a little bit of Known Oil in the creases of the cloak. Starting point, a little bit of Viscera flesh, raised parts of the flesh. For the blue, coming in with Calvar blue for the edges. How Evil Sun Stars call it. Twin comet on the feathers, just a dry brush, Screaming Skull. And a little bit round the head. And with a little bit of Rhinoxide, the same thing. Move point coming in for the raised parts. Coming on with some Lead Belcher for the edges and flat, but keeping shadows still dark. Now with Retributor Armour, just picking out the raised parts, the armpits. On the beak, coming in with some Screaming Skull just as a highlight on the point. Focusing on the base, the rock she's standing on, Mechanicus standard grey. Okay, Sterling mud's now dry. Coming in after the wash with a little bit of white. It's a dry brush on the stones. The rock that she's standing on. And last but not least, coming in with the bad and black for the edge of the base. Right, there you go, Emelda Braskov completed. Bit of a tuft on the base. I'm pretty chuffed with her, she looks cool. I'm looking forward to playing Cursed City. I'm starting to get enough figures now to actually play the game with painted minis. Alright, so I hope you enjoyed this video. I look forward to catching you next week. Thanks for watching, guys. Take care, bye.